What's up, everybody? So we are gonna be ruining this 1984 Buick Regal. Psych. What we're gonna do is, I don't know if you guys ever seen it on my Instagram and on my YouTube shorts. I had posted this car up for sale, and it did sell. I did get cashed out. Now the owner that purchased this vehicle did not want it to be as a lowrider. They loved the car, they loved the look. They did not want the lowrider look, so they went ahead and asked me if I could do the work to put it back to stock, and they want to do a couple other little modifications. And I get to keep the rims, I get to keep the hydraulic setup, and on top of that, I'm getting paid mucho dinero. So that's what's gonna be going on right now in One Man's Customs. I'm gonna be jumping from this build to this build.
What size there?
14. Electrifying. Thank you for your donation. Be like that chulada guy. I just saved myself 150 bucks. These batteries are already pretty fucking old too, huh?
Yeah.
What are they, like 3 years old? 4 years old?
Like 4 years old.
Oh yeah, this battery rack's gonna fit in the Caprice.
Yeah.
Nice and beautiful. Oh, you know what? I didn't even put on my shoes. Those are my chanclas. Hold on, I'll get you that. Don't hurt your back now. Don't have to be looking for it. So this one's probably gonna, hold this one up right there while I put a cap on that shit. My caps. Glove. This motherfucker right there. Right there. I think that was supposed to be oily.
You don't do it.
Oh, come on. I guess that wasn't the size. Get your trusty hammer.
Not the size.
Nah, it's a little, maybe it's because they're worn out.
No, it is. It's because, yeah.
This one, get this one there.
Oh.
Put this one back.
So what is it?
I don't know. 9/16. I just go based off of higher number, lower number. Don't give me none of that, boo.
half inch.
Just like a different, huh?
Yeah. No, it's like a little.
Because it's American. Can't get it there.
Huh?
Need a small extension. I'll do it. Oh shit. So now, transplant. Like a heart transplant. No, this is more like a liver transplant. Or is it like a booty transplant? BBL. Okay, let's go. What the hell? What's this for? There it goes. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Ow.
I can do that.
I don't know. You grab. Cut the wires now. Be careful now. Yep.
6 up.
Okay, now go back that way. As far as back as you can. That's it, huh?
Solenoid city.
Solenoid city? Hold
Oh,
on.
you might have to cut in the middle.
Nah. Hold on.
Oh, you just tapped them in there?
Yeah. Okay, here. I'll take those off. So I might as well. I forgot I did that. Yeah, I even got a handy dandy lander already.
Yeah, you even got a middle point.
Tapping. Tapping. Stop.
Just cut it right there.
Alright. Okay, and just like that, folks, this car is that much closer to being stock. We got new tubular arms coming in, upper and lower. Got some new coils for the front, new shocks. The rear upper control arms, because we had extended those 1 inch, so we're putting new ones on that. We also got some new springs coming in and some new shocks. And just like that, this car will be back to stock. Like I said, this is gonna be a different build, different rims, different stance. And if all goes well, we're also gonna slap an LS in here. What LS was it? And then for anyone that's asking, like that's gonna get shaved off a little more right there. It's gonna get brought down. Then I'm gonna put some, like just some sheet metal, and I'm gonna rivet it down. Same thing right there, put some covers there, and then we're gonna dynamat the whole trunk because he's gonna put a big old banger system, dynamat the quarter panels, and we're probably gonna box this in like the previous vehicles I've had. where it's just gonna be MDF'd all the way, just a nice speaker box with some cool LED lighting, and it's gonna be pumping out some sounds. But that's it. Yeah, tune into the channel, like, share, subscribe. Peace.